Hello cyclists, today I brought you a very safe and a very loud lock. It is the ABUS 6000 alarm lock. This is the first foldable lock from ABUS with an integrated alarm, and it's quite easy to use. You just take it out of this new bracket that I like a lot. You open the lock, and then you can decide if you use it as a lock without an alarm, because it has two levels. You just put it in once and you lock it and there's no alarm set off, or you put the foldable lock further in and then it gives you a first acoustic signal that the alarm, you just heard it, that it's activated. And now I moved it, so that's why the alarm is probably going to set off. This is actually the first level of alarm. So if by accident a football hits the bike or someone is parking next to you and moves the lock a little like this, so this is the warning signal. If the movement does not stop, the alarm sets off. If it stops like here, the warning signal will just stop. But now I'm going to activate the alarm by just moving. And you can only turn it off when the movement stops or you open the lock again. So that's quite clever. This lock has all the features that you're used from an ABUS lock. What is quite interesting, it has a transportation mode. So you put it only in once, otherwise you cannot transport the lock and put it in again. Due to the fact that it is working with a battery, every now and then you will hear a different acoustic signal. Then you know, okay, the battery is quite weak, I have to change it. And that's quite easy. You just take off the rubber hat and this little metal cap and then you change the battery. This lock has the security level 10, so this is really high. This is definitely a lock for very pricey, high-cost bikes if you want to secure it. It has 5mm hardened steel, and of course what I like, it has the soft case around, so you don't have to be afraid to have any scratches or it could damage the paint of your bike. Well, if you ask me, this is a very nice evolution. We were just waiting for a foldable lock with an alarm, so that will give you some peace of mind. I'm not sure if it really works. I was thinking, what would I do if I hear an alarm from a bicycle lock getting off? Would I talk to someone who's obviously stealing the bike? So what would I do? I'm not pretty sure if this, we have to get used to it. But I think it's a really nice idea, very nice development from ABUS. It costs 140 euros, which is quite pricey, but compared to buying a new bike, it's definitely worth it. Hey guys, if you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.